Urine nebulizer has compact design, portable and lightweight. Two-way convection design, which can completely dissipate heat, effectively extend the service life. This compact compressor only one button, which can be easily operated by children, adults, and seniors. This product is equipped with medicine cup, mask, mouthpiece, air tube, filters, 5 PCS. You can use mouthpiece or mask for optimization. Sound level less than 70 decibels, and you acquired relaxing and comfortable treatment experience. Achieve a fast delivery and high efficiency for inhale. As a 10-year medical devices manufacturer, Urine experienced in OEM, ODM orders.